We got two Hellcats that came in this morning. First two cars of the day. We have the 21 Challenger right here, and we have a 22 Challenger over there. Check that out, yo. On the lift, looks good, looks good. All right, so what we did to this one over here is a muffler delete. My bad for that. We're tightening up the bolts. I'm gonna show you guys this one in a minute, let you hear it as soon as we're done with it. But we have Gio finishing it up right there. What up, Eo? But let's check out this Borla Atak system that we just installed. Fully bolt-on, 3-inch diameter piping. This thing is top of the line system. If you want to go a little bit higher end when it comes to your Challenger, Charger, whatever, check those out right there. And the customer wanted stock tips. You can always change it, but you have to do those quads. Sometimes the diffuser is some type of a concern. But yeah, a couple nuts and bolts, bolt on, yo. You could do this in your driveway if you like, but it will be a pain in the ass. So I would suggest calling your local exhaust shop or come to G Exhaust in South Florida, which we are franchising. So check the links in the description, but we're gonna bring this down and crank it up for you guys. And then I might attach the Muffy D one as well. So let me know what you think.